Hey, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm going to do something a little different than building model cars. I'm going to be doing a figure, actually a couple of figures. Our friends at Elegoo sent me this Elegoo ABS-like colored resin, and it's in smoky gray color, which I'm a fan of. And they sent me this resin detergent to try out. Now, I'm a water wash resin guy. I like the convenience of water wash, but I wanted to try this out, and they suggested it, and so I tried it out. It was easy. It was really, really easy to clean the parts with the resin detergent, and they came out so clean, so much cleaner than with using alcohol, and I hate the smell of alcohol. So this was easy. The resin detergent smelled like a citrusy sort of smell, so it wasn't, really bad like IPA. But watch the video, ask me any questions you want. I really enjoyed using this resin. Thank you, Elegoo, for sending me this sample. So this is Colts 3D, and this is the file that we're going to print today. This is the up-close look at these figures. As you can see, they're very, very smooth. There's no telltale signs of marks anywhere on them. These were printed at 0.025. Yeah, this is a great resin for figures. Here, these were printed on an Elegoo Saturn 4. If you're interested in buying any of the things that I used today, there are links below for the printer, the resin, the detergent, and the figurines. Check them out below. So my final thoughts are this. I am a water wash guy, and I probably always will be. The ABS like is super tough. It's very durable. Is it made for model car bodies? I don't know. It might be a little hard to sand, to be honest with you. But for making figures, it makes beautiful, beautiful figures. They come out smooth, almost like kit plastic, and you just watch me put them together. They're super easy and they're durable. So if they hit the floor, I don't think they would break. Will I be using ABS resin from now on? No. I'm gonna go back to my water wash because that's what I enjoy using, especially for my model cars. The ABS is a little tough for me. I like it a little more easy to sand. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video.